Half guard. Go. Work to escape, sweep, or submit, Anthony. Escape, sweep, or submit. Work to that wall and come up, John. There you go. Come up, John. Come up. Come up, John. Come up. Hand down and come out. Take his back. Come on. Get your hips up. All right. Start over again. Start over. Jim, get back in half guard. Jim, you pass the mount. You try to work to pass the mount, okay? Get to that mount, Emil. Get to that mount. Don't let him in there, Anthony. Don't let him in there. There you go. Keep that knee inside. Got to get out from there. Emil, you can sub if you want to. You see an opportunity for an armbar or Kimura, go for it. Basically. There you go, Jim. Throw it. Throw. Strike.
But he's being very educated about it otherwise.
What, Emil? Yeah. Knees too, Emil. Come on, Anthony. Work back to that underhook on that side. John, Jimbo, scoot over here a little bit. Stop a second, guys. Scoot over here a little bit. Keep working. There you go, Anthony. Hips up. Come out. Head up. Come out. Go. You guys go. Really go after him, Jim. Short time. Go after him. Short time. Start over again, Anthony. You're out. Good. Start over again. Time.